Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to start new topic, that is Gauss divergence theorem. So Gauss divergence theorem states that the surface integral of the normal component of a vector point function f bar, listen carefully, surface integral of the normal component of a vector point function f bar over a closed surface S is equal to the volume integral of the divergence of f bar taken throughout the volume V enclosed by the surface S, and this S is closed surface. For example, our classroom is one cube. Okay, so Gauss divergence theorem states that the surface integral means classroom has total 6 surfaces, cube has total 6 surfaces, so that sum of 6 surfaces is equal to the वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल ऑफ डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ एफ बार. जो भी वेक्टर फील्ड एफ बार रहेगा, डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ एफ बार मीन्स दैट इज डेल डॉट एफ बार, सो इज इक्वल टू इट्स वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल मीन्स ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल, दैट इज हाउ वी राइट स्टेटमेंट डबल इंटीग्रल ओवर यस f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to triple integral over v del dot f bar into dv. So this is the statement of Gauss divergence theorem. For solving problems we have to use this. Okay, I am again repeating, double integral over s f bar dot ds bar or f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to triple integral over v del dot f bar into dv. In Stokes theorem, double integral over s del cross f bar dot n cap into dsa. In Gauss divergence theorem, f bar dot n cap into dsa. So यहाँ पर confusion मत करो. Okay, now we will take some simple problem on Gauss divergence theorem using vector identities. So this is very simple problem. First problem is show that triple integral over the volume V dV upon r square is equal to double integral over s r bar dot n cap upon r square into ds. Means suppose we have to write or we have to show this, जो result है मैंने इधर इसको ऐसा लिखता हूँ, डबल इंटीग्रल ओवर s r bar upon r square, ये जो है r bar upon r square dot n cap into ds is equal to ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल ओवर v dv अपॉन r स्क्वायर. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. अब नाउ इफ यू कंपेयर दिस LHS विद द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ गॉस डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम, एफ बार डॉट एन कैप इंटू डी एस. सो एफ बार डॉट एन कैप इंटू डी एस, तो इससे एफ बार मिलेगा हमें. सो इफ यू टेक सपोज एफ बार इज इक्वल टू आर बार अपॉन आर स्क्वायर. सो LHS से एफ बार मिला आर बार अपॉन आर स्क्वायर. नाउ इफ फॉर यूजिंग means for solving this we have to use Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, and what is Gauss divergence theorem? Gauss divergence theorem is surface integral is equal to volume over del dot volume integral over v del dot f bar. Means if we know f bar, from that we have to find del dot f bar. So how we find this del dot f bar? First, that is equal to del dot r bar upon r square. We have to find this. Okay, is equal to del dot r raised to minus 2 into r bar. So for solving this we have to use identity number 1, del dot phi u bar. This is phi and this is u bar. So what is del dot phi u bar? Is equal to del phi means del of r raised to minus 2 dot r bar plus phi r raised to minus 2 into del dot r bar. So del of r raised to minus 2, how we calculate? That is minus 2 r raised to minus 3 into del r dot r bar plus del dot r bar. Value of del dot r bar is 3. So this is 3 r raised to minus 2. And what is the value of del r? Del r is r bar upon r dot r bar plus 3 r raised to minus 2 is equal to minus 2 r raised to minus 4 हो जाएगा, यार ऊपर लिया तो. एंड आर बार डॉट आर बार इज आर स्क्वायर प्लस 3 आर रेज टू माइनस 2. सो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज माइनस 2 आर रेज टू माइनस 2, आर रेज टू माइनस 4 इंटू आर स्क्वायर. बेस सेम है, टेक एडिशन ऑफ पावर. माइनस 4 प्लस 2 इज माइनस 2 प्लस 3 आर रेज टू माइनस 2 is equal to r raised to minus 2. r raised to minus 2 means 1 upon r square. Okay, and we have to prove this. surface is equal to volume आया तो आपके सामने क्या आना चाहिए? डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम. सो यहाँ पर लिखना है हमें देयरफॉर बाय डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम क्या है, डबल इंटीग्रल ओवर यस एफ बार डॉट एन कैप इंटू डी एस इज इक्वल टू ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल ओवर वी डेल डॉट एफ बार इंटू डी वी. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ बार. What is f bar here? This implies double integral over s. f bar था हमारा r bar upon r square. r bar upon r square dot n cap into ds is equal to triple integral over v del dot f bar. Del dot f bar is 1 upon r square. 1 upon r square into dv, that is required. So next problem is prove that double integral over the surface S phi del psi minus psi del phi dot ds bar is equal to triple integral over V phi del square psi minus psi del square phi into dv. Now how we prove this problem? Again here surface is equal to value में, so we have to use here again divergence theorem. So by divergence theorem first we will write here statement same as last problem. Divergence theorem is double integral over s f bar dot ds bar, means f bar dot n cap into ds, we can write also ds bar, is equal to triple integral over v del dot f bar into dv. Okay, now if we take LHS here, for LHS we have to take f bar is equal to, simply compare this with this and write f bar is equal to phi del psi minus psi del phi. Okay, so if we take f bar equal to phi del psi minus psi del phi, then we have to find del dot f bar. Del dot f bar की वैल्यू ये आनी चाहिए. Okay, so del dot f bar is equal to del dot phi del psi minus psi del phi. Now listen carefully here. Phi and psi both are scalar point function, and if we operate del on scalar point function, it gives vector quantity. So if psi is scalar, then del psi is vector. If phi is scalar, then del phi is vector. Okay, so first split this del dot phi del psi माइनस डेल डॉट psi del phi. क्या किया मैंने यहाँ पर, सिर्फ स्प्लिट किया, सब्सट्रैक्शन थी इसलिए. नाउ सॉल्व वन बाय वन. सो फर्स्ट वन हाउ वी सॉल्व. Here psi is scalar but del is operate on psi, it gives vector quantity. So del psi is vector, that is u bar, and this is phi, so we can use here first identity. Del dot phi u bar is equal to del phi dot u bar, means del phi dot del psi plus phi into del dot del psi. Okay, minus same here del psi dot del phi plus minus minus psi into del dot del phi. Okay, so is equal to this, you know that dot product is commutative, so del phi dot del psi minus del psi dot del phi get cancel. So this is phi into del dot del is del square, phi into del square psi minus psi into del dot del is here again del, so psi into del square phi. So the value of del dot f bar is phi del square psi minus psi del square phi. Put in 1, and therefore equation 1 becomes double integral over the surface yes, value of f bar is phi del psi minus psi del phi dot ds bar is equal to triple integral over the volume v del dot f bar. What is the value of del dot f bar? That is phi del square psi minus psi del square phi into dv. This is the required, means we have to prove this, that is this. Okay, so in next video we will take some problems using spherical polar coordinates, that is already done in last paper, our multivariate calculus. If sphere is given, then how to solve the problems. If circle is given, then how to solve the problem. Circle is given, then we can use polar coordinates, and if sphere is given, then spherical polar coordinates. Okay, so such type of problems we will solve in next video. If you really likes our video, then subscribe the channel for new updates. Thank you.